In this video, I will show you how to add an online calculator and hosting your website builder. So first, go ahead and head over into W3 Schools and look for a code for an online calculator. Make sure that the code works and that the calculator works on W3 Schools before you add that into Hostinger. Now, once you have assured that the code works, go ahead and copy the entire code at the left side of your screen. So make sure that you copy the code from bottom to top. Now go ahead and head over into Hostinger, sign in into your account. Now once you're signed in, head over into the websites tab. Click on that website's list section, and under it, click on the edit website button beside the website that you want to edit, where you want to add the online calculator to. So as you can see in here, I have a few websites added into my Hostinger account, but the last one is the only website that can be modified using the Hostinger website builder. So go ahead and click on that edit website button beside that specific website. Once you're on the website, what you'll need to do is to scroll down into the area where you want to actually add the online calculator to. You can add a page for that specific area. Now on this empty page, what you'll need to do is to name it in the navigation. Click on the save button once you're done naming it. Now once you have added that, what you'll need to do is to click on that add new section button, and in here go ahead and click on add new blank section. Now once you have added the blank section, go ahead and click on that add element button at the tool section on the left side of your screen. Look for the embed code tool and drag that into this space. Now once you have added the embed code tool, go ahead and click on that enter code button. Remove this existing code and copy the code from W3 Schools from bottom to top before you head back into Hostinger and paste that into the embed code section. Then here, paste the code and click on that embed code button at the bottom right of your screen. Now you can resize this calculator before you update the website. Now once you update that website, you can immediately find your online calculator on your Hostinger website. And that's how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.